Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious, tasty Nigerian puff puff. Guys, you're going to love this puff puff recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. So you add sugar, salt, yeast, okay? Then you mix the dry ingredients together. You can as well dissolve the yeast in water, okay? The next thing you're going to do is to add lukewarm water. Make sure the water is lukewarm. Then you mix very well. You're going to do this for like 10 minutes. So hope you guys are seeing the consistency of our puff puff batter. So we are done. The next thing is to cover, and we are going to leave for an hour to double in size. So here is our puff puff batter after about an hour. As you guys can see, it has doubled in size. Add ground cinnamon, grated nutmeg, paprika, dried Cameroon pepper, then you mix. You can as well customize it. You can add more ingredients you want. Just customize it to your taste. Okay, so you mix the batter, you incorporate the ingredients we just added. Then heat up your oil. Then you start frying your puff puff. Stir at intervals, or close intervals rather. Our puff puff is ready when it's golden brown. Guys, you're going to love this puff puff recipe. It was so nice. It was so nice. As you guys can see, our puff puff is almost ready. Please try out this recipe. I'll be leaving the ingredients and the measurement in the description below, so make sure you check out the description to get the measurements of this delicious Nigerian puff puff recipe. And guys, I know you're going to love it. Once you try it out, you will love this puff puff recipe. So transfer to a paper towel or to a sieve to drain excess oil. As you guys can see, our yummy Nigerian puff puff is ready. Guys, please, like I said, make sure you try it out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.